welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel Banks, and I plan to bring you beauty to beauty. Okay, guys, so I am here to do a Brandless unboxing and then to share some items that I got from Amazon. So this is going to be an exciting video. This is my first time buying something from Brandless. I had been seeing it all over social media, so I just had to try it out. So the whole idea behind Brandless is that majority of the items are $3, and it's supposed to be like all either organic or all naturally produced items. I did see a few items on there that was like $9. I think that was for like the cups and the plates or something like that. But anyways, I got mostly food items, I think. Not really sure. I know I didn't spend too much. I only spent like $33. And again, everything is worth cost $3. I'm just gonna open up my box, and I want to say it shipped pretty fast. So I ordered the stuff last Thursday, and it came in the mail over the weekend while I was out. Okay, guys, so I'm just about to dig right on in. Hopefully everyone is having a good day. Leave in the comments if you tried Brandless before. So this is my first time. So this came in the bag like this. I don't know what it is. It's like wrapped in this unique like paper. Let's get started. I'm excited. Okay. Okay, so this is some Gooch Jang. Some sort of sauce. It's like an Asian barbecue sauce, and I have been into teriyaki sauces. I love Asian food. I don't know how to pronounce this, and I ain't about to butcher it, but this is the name of it, and it was only $3. And it says, can you see it? Okay, good. And it says no GMO, no artificial colors or flavors, no hydrogenated oils. And this is the Brandless product. Okay, so that was $3, guys. So the next thing that's in there is, okay, I bought a whole bunch of stuff I know I probably didn't know how to pronounce, but I love it. I've used them before, I just don't know how to pronounce them. Okay, so I got some balsamic vinegar, and this is actually a pretty decent size bottle, but it's some balsamic vinegar, and again, this is $3, and I plan on using this, of course, in meals, but particularly like when I season my chicken with balsamic vinegar, basil, and other seasonings, herbs and stuff. So good. So I'll share my recipe and whatnot when I get ready to use these products. So the next thing that I got in the box was this tomato sauce, and this is organic, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no artificial preservatives, and this is the Brandless, and I think I got 2 cans for $1 or 2 cans for $2 or something like that, and these are nice size cans. I thought they were gonna be a little smaller because they were so cheap, but I think it was like 2 for $1 or 2 for $2. But it's just regular tomato sauce. And then, let's see. Excuse my house in the background, y'all. I just got back in town from California on another business trip. So I'm still trying to unpack or whatnot. So the next thing is this tahini. And this is again organic, gluten-free, vegan, and it's $3. And I do plan on making some meals with this. I've used it in the past. And I'm gonna share all these recipes, guys. I'm gonna take you along with me as I cook with these ingredients. So it's gonna be so much fun. So I'm excited about that ingredient there. And then I got this roasted garlic pasta sauce. And this is organic, gluten-free, vegan, no artificial colors. And this was $3. I think both cans were $3 each. So I got 2 of them. And the tomato sauce, I'm gonna make like a nice pasta So, speaking of pasta, I got this whole wheat spaghetti pasta, and I did get 2 packs of it. It's my first time using whole wheat spaghetti, so I'm super excited about that. And I probably will use some fresh vegetables, ground turkey, maybe some chicken sausage, and then use some of the spaghetti sauces with the whole wheat spaghetti and have a nice little healthy meal. Super excited about that. And I think these were like 2 for $1 or 2 for $2. These pretty big packs of spaghetti. I'll probably only use one to feed my whole entire family. The next thing that I got in this box is this melatonin, which helps me to sleep at night. How many capsules do you get? So you get 60 tablets, and they're 3 milligrams. So I would probably have to take 2 a night. I think I would have to read the instructions. But anyways, this helps you sleep. It says no GMO, helps promote restful sleep. And this was only $3. So I'm super excited about that, because I think the one that I got from Walgreens, and I don't want to say it was less than 60, but I have to see how many I have to take. That's gonna be the what's gonna be the game changer. If I only have to take 1, this is gonna be the deal. Let me see. Okay, serving size is 1 tablet. So I'm gonna try it out tonight, because I do sometimes have trouble with falling asleep, because I got like a busy man. My man is just like, blah, blah, blah. So I'm super excited, because the one I got from Walgreens, it was expensive, y'all. So $3 from Brandless. Okay, so the next thing that I got in the box are these coconut lemon cream cookies. This is a pretty big box for $3. Do I want to try one? Let's try one. And what does it say? It says no GMO, no artificial flavors, and this is the Brandless coconut lemon cream cookies. That sounds so good, y'all. So this is what it looks like a pack of Oreos. Let's open one up and see. See, I'm gonna have to have this for my kids. I still got candy from Valentine's Day, so I'm just stocked up with sweets. I got some zucchini bread from Sam's Club. I haven't tried it yet. I got some zucchini bread with like walnuts. I don't know how it's gonna taste. And then I still got my Valentine's Day candy. My husband hooked me up. He got me like the Turtles type candy. I think they call it Pixies or something like that. And it's like half of them are milk chocolate, and then the other half is like a good dark chocolate. Oh my God, so good. So hopefully you all had a really, really good Valentine's Day. I know I did. But this is what the cookies looks like. Mmm, yummy. Oh, yes. The coconut comes out in the end. It's so good. Okay, this is the bomb combination. And it's made with wheat flour. This is good. It's got a real lemon taste. I can taste the fresh, real lemon in it. That coconut is what's taking it like to the next level. I like coconut. Okay. And this is the last thing in the box. I got this nut caramel chews, almond and coconut. I like coconut. Again, there's no GMO, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors. And this was $3, y'all. This is looking real small. But I've seen worse. I've seen worse. So let's take a look. Checking out the expiration date. We got time. Oh, this is cute. And it comes with like little chews in there. I thought it was going, oh, they're little individually wrapped caramel chews. Look at how cute this is. It's like a legit little piece of caramel with nuts in it. Okay. I'm excited. Let's try it. I haven't even eaten dinner, y'all. Okay. It is so good. Okay, I'm taking this to work. Oh. This is really good. Okay. This is grown folks candy, y'all. This is good. This is good. This is winner. I'm going back ordering a whole bunch more. This is the winner. This is good. Okay, guys. So I also ordered some stuff from Amazon. Okay. So the first thing that I got in the box are these glasses. And the reason why I got these glasses is because I went on Amazon. I got these glasses right here. It's just like cute little glasses. It's got the gold cat frames. I absolutely love them. They are non-prescription. They are just for style. Really, really cutesy. Very, very cute. And did I get the exact same thing? I think I did. I got the exact same pair in silver because I'm like, okay, when I want to wear like my silver accessories or whatnot, so it's the exact same pair but in gold, silver. So those are the gold and these are the silver. Winning. These are so cute, y'all. I love them. Absolutely love them. So cute. I can wear my gold or my silver accessories with my glasses. So cute. Yes. Cute. Cute. Okay. I want to say them glasses are like only $10, if not less than that. They're real cheap. These glasses are real cheap. Okay, and last but not least, I got this, what is this? This chopper glass set. So it comes with, nice, it's heavy. Some glass bowl that you can use in the oven, apparently. You like chop up a whole bunch of stuff, just throw it in the oven. But it's just like a chopper to help chop up your vegetables. I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers, and they were like going to town chopping up all these vegetables, and they was like, y'all don't go out and get you this chopper. It's gonna save your life, especially around Thanksgiving when you make dressing and you gotta cut all the vegetables to go into the dressing, or any other meals that you make where you put a lot of vegetables, salads and stuff like that. This is going to be really convenient and easy to use, according to what I saw on the video. So I'm super excited about it. I'm, trying to get back on that kick of trying to eat healthy, eat more vegetables. So I need to go out and buy me some vegetables so I can cut up in my little chopper. But this is how it looks. It's like a nice little chopper. And then I can make my zoodles, my zucchini noodles. So I'm super excited about that. Yeah, so this is everything that I got in the video. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried Brandless before. If you are feeling my non-prescription glasses, y'all. I am absolutely in love with them. I be at work like cutting up, looking cute with my glasses on. But anyways, hopefully you all really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Not only do I want you to subscribe, but I want you to like and share. And then to all my existing subscribers, I appreciate your support. Thank you so very much, and I will talk to you all. So, bye. Okay, y'all, I tried to do a little filming for my thumbnail. I don't know why I'm so weird. Please don't judge me. Get used to it. At the end of my videos, I'm going to do a few little scenes to try to get a decent thumbnail. I don't know what is happening with the weird faces, but it's for thumbnail purposes.